Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So this video is so much fun. I had so much fun shooting it. It's a 5-minute Diwali ready makeup challenge and yeah, it was pretty stressful while I shot it. You will be able to see it in a few minutes from now. I did this in 5 minutes. I kind of like it, but you guys will be the better judge. So let me know in the comments how I did. So guys, wish you all a very happy Diwali, and now let's get started. Since Diwali is knocking on the door today, I'll show you a few great lip shades specially picked to suit Indian skin tones and perfect for every occasion. This is Mamaearth Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick. It has avocado oil and vitamin E, which is great for moisturizing. It is highly pigmented and lasts for 12 hours. It's lightweight and you can wear it on a daily basis. Just a swipe and you're ready to slay. They came up with few new shades: Peach Nude, Grapefruit Pink, Hazelnut Brown, Raisin Punch. It contains no toxins or harmful chemicals and is completely safe to use every day. With your every purchase on Mamaearth's website, Mamaearth plants a tree on your behalf. These are available online at Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Flipkart and in stores near you. Use code SUSH2023 to get 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app only. Check the links in the description below. Okay, so I'm going to set a timer on my phone and let us start. Okay, so I just have 5 minutes. Wow, I'm excited. So first, I'm not gonna tell you guys anything what products I'm using. I'll just probably link everything in the description box. But right now, I'm just gonna use a primer. I can't help but talk. But that's my job, right? But 5 minutes is actually no big deal for me because on an everyday basis, I do like my makeup in 5 minutes and there will be no cuts in this video. So next, I'll use a foundation. What the heck? Let me use it. Just use a little bit. It's already 1 minute. So can't even see. It's been 1 minute 19 seconds. God. Okay, just the eyebrows. Just filling in my brows. And it's done. It's 1 minute. Oh my god, how fast! 1 minute 51 seconds. Now, what do I do? Okay, the concealer. Am I able to even finish it? Concealer real fast. Okay. Just need to set it with a powder. It's been 2 minutes 20. Oh my god. Just set it with a powder. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Just have, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, the eyes. Just gonna use, I'll find my brush. Just gonna use a brown shade all over my lips, eyelids. Just a brown shade. It's 3 minutes already. Okay, same for my lower lash line. All right. Oh my god. Okay, real quick, I'm not gonna use bronzer, just some blush. Why does it look so chalky on my face, the blush? Oh my god. Oh God, this is so stressful. Just the highlighter. Oh my God, where is my... Guys, I can't find my brush. I just use this as a highlighter brush. I don't know what the heck. What brush is this? I have no clue. Just using it as a highlighter. Okay. Mascara real quick. Okay, just got done with the mascara. Lipstick real quick, just 4 minutes 25 seconds. Oh my God. Okay guys, I'm done. It's 4 minutes 38 seconds, 4 minutes 39 seconds. And this is what I came up with. Let me know how I did. See, 4 minutes 50 seconds. I still had, I don't know. I still could have done something, right? Why did I waste my time? I don't know. But yeah, pretty good, right? Like pretty clean. So yeah, it's 5 minutes. Oh God. I don't know why I wasted 20 seconds. I could have done something with 20 seconds. Maybe put on a liner or something. I just don't know what happened. Now I think I am going to use a kajal on my upper lash line. I could have used this when I still had 20 seconds left. Like maybe I could have managed, but I don't know what happened to me. I was too busy, you know, celebrating that I completed this look in 5 minutes probably. I don't know what happened there. And now, oh my God guys, this kajal is like really smooth. I'm just using it just like a liner. I could have skipped the foundation also, but I think it wouldn't have been a makeup challenge if I don't put on the foundation. Like, you know, the foundation is the foundation of makeup, right? Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what other challenge you want me to do for you guys. I enjoyed this so much, but to be honest, it was stressful. A lot of stress. Alright guys, so let me know how you like this look, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.